What do you think that's about? Why'd they all leave? You want pineapple? Where do you think all the birdies went? They're not even in the tree. They're at any of the feeders? They're nowhere. You ate that very quickly. So what would you like to do? We've got about 45 minutes. What the heck is that? What was that? Think maybe snow's falling off the roof? It sounded like an earthquake. Oh, Jake is plowing our driveway. That's a very loud process, apparently. That was very loud, wasn't it? Scary loud. All right, now that we know what it was, you ready for more? Okay, here it comes. Boom! Well done! You ready? Here it comes. Boom! You got this. Nicely done.